Here we have Novax pedestrian signals here at Rita and Nexus. Here's the intersection. It has LeoTek LED inserts, I believe. Yep, LeoTek LEDs. Incandescent look LED pedestrian signal modules. And this is an older intersection here. We used to have Dialight LED modules, but they were replaced. So, yep, those are older McCain. Oh, sorry, just dropped my bike there. Older McCain traffic supply inserts. Anyways, we're gonna push the button here. This is a very nice push button here. Here it goes. I just pushed the button. Let me get a better view of the button here. It's a metal push button, nothing really special. It's just a 400 series push button. Anyways, I'll get a view of the lights while waiting for the lock signal. And here it goes here in just a minute here. It's about to go. Alright. There's the speaker up there. And we're gonna get a video of the thing here in just a minute. Oh, there it goes. Oh, it didn't work. Or maybe. Unfortunately, I don't think the APS speakers work here. That is kind of unfortunate. I'm gonna push this button over here now. If I can get my bike over. Let me get over. I gotta get on my bike. This thing is so heavy. I'm gonna push this button here. I don't think these speakers work, unfortunately, but yep, they don't work. Anyways, I'll get a view of this light cycling, though. Alright, here goes this light here. And you got the leading green arrow. And this truck, I think, is about to block my view. I think that has the Max Force DT engine. And here goes this one. This one works, though. You can just barely hear it there. I'm gonna cross over now. I don't know who made these push buttons, probably Econolite. I think they're Econolite push buttons, and we're gonna cross over in just a minute here as soon as this light changes. Out there you can see a newer push button. There's a newer push button on that side of the street. I believe it's a Campbell. And we're gonna, oh, we don't get a walk until, oh, there we go. We get a leading. We get a leading walk here. Hopefully no one runs the red light on me. Just trying to get crossed over here right now. And here we have more Novax APS speakers on the ped head. I wonder if this one's louder. You can hear it a little bit. And we gotta cross over now. Okay, we gotta make it over before the countdown ends, or the walk signal ends. And here's another speaker. This one should work. This one's a little older. This one's a little worse shape. And I think, let's get a view of this. Here's another speaker. Novax or something. No, I think it's Novax DS100. Meantime, here's another light. Here's the light here. Okay, we gotta make it over. Okay, so I'll lay my bike here for a minute. Bike. Push button. And here comes the white man. Walk signal. I hope you enjoyed. There's the signals. I believe they're also McCain, and with Dialight or GE LED inserts. Actually, they might be LeoTek, because pedestrian signals are LeoTek inserts. But sorry, I think I just can't cover up my camera's mic there. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed, and that's it.